My dear student, I am Dr. Topon Chandra Kulita and my channel Political Science Made Easy. Today we are going to learn about the meaning of public administration. Student, in the third and fourth semester, the EGC has introduced a paper on public administration in regarding honors course, and in regular course the same is introduced in the fifth and sixth semester. Those who want to take public administration as an optional paper in the competitive examination can also be benefited by this video. This video is an academic platform, hence references has been taken from different internet and book sources. We honestly acknowledge them all. Now student, we come to the main topic. Public administration was a recent addition to the study of social science. It is the combination of two words, public and administration. Public means the people at large. The English word administration is derived from two Latin words, ad and minister, which means to serve, to manage affairs, or to look after people. Hence, literally, it means the management of public affairs. There are certain definitions. Woodrow Wilson stated that public administration is detailed and systematic application of law. Right? Public administration is the direction, coordination, and control of many persons to achieve some pursuit or objectives. Now students, there are certain other definitions also which we can learn in this regard. Now let us see them one by one. Public administration is the fulfillment or enforcement of public policy as declared by the competent authority. Fifner said, public administration consists of getting the works of the government done, coordinating the efforts of people so that they can work together to accomplish their set task. So, my dear students, from the above definitions, it becomes clear that public administration is a subject where the meaning and purpose of government, bureaucracy, budgets, governance and public affairs are held. Apart from the above two uses can also be mentioned. It is an activity. It is also refers to the discipline or the subject of intellectual inquiry and study. Now, from the above discussion, we can see that the contributions of Woodrow Wilson, L.D. White, and Marcel Demock is very important regarding the shape of public administration. Therefore, we have to pay honor to them. Now, we discuss on the various types of questions which may ask in the examinations. It is very important from the examination point of view. First, public administration has a recent origin. Is it true or false? Definitely it is true. The second, the origin of public administration as a modern discipline came into existence in USA, the United Kingdom, Latin America, or India. Definitely the USA, because we know that the originator of the subject is the former president of the USA. Number 3, the term administration came from number A, Latin, B, Greek, C, Sanskrit, D, Arabic language. We have already discussed this. It came from two Latin words. Definitely the correct answer is number A. 4. Meaning of the terms aid and minister means to serve, to manage affairs, to look after people, and all of them. Definitely, we know that the first three are true. Therefore, D is correct. Next, number 5. The literal meaning of administration is management of affairs, the study of affairs, both. None of the above. Definitely A. Number 6. Who said? Public admission is the direction, coordination and control of many persons to achieve some pursuit or objectives. The answer of this question is LDY. Here are some other definitions are also given in the question number other question number 8, then number 7. So the student, you just see the definitions and you choose the correct alternatives as given below under the respective questions. Students, now question number 9. Public administration is a subject where the meaning and purpose of government, bureaucracy, budget, governance and public affairs are held. Is it true or false? Definitely it is true. Then a statement is given. Two statements are given. Number A, public administration is an activity. Number 2, it also refers to the discipline or the subject of intellectual inquiry and study. So alternatives are given. Number A, both statements are true. Both the statements are false. C, only true. And then D, only 2 is true. Here we see that both 1 and 2 statements are true. Therefore, we choose the alternative A as correct answer. Then we come to the end of this part of video. Here are some links and number names are given. You can take the help of these books for your future need.